ancient asteroid named after a foolhardy Greek god who nearly wiped out all life on our planet, is hurtling towards Earth. The space rock 3200 Phaethon is due to brush quite close on December 17, Russian astronomers have revealed. And NASA has described the space rock as a potentially hazardous asteroid whose path misses Earth's orbit by only 2 million miles. Just up the road in space terms. The asteroid is about half the size of Chicxulub, which wiped out the dinosaurs, but was once a lot bigger. Its unusual orbit will see it pass closer to our Sun than any other named asteroid. Astronomers from the Immanuel Kant Baltic Federal University have now published a video which tracks its path. The unit wrote, "Apparently, this asteroid was once a much bigger object, but its many approaches to the Sun have caused it to crumble into smaller pieces." Phaethon 3200 will be accompanied by the Geminids meteor shower, which is at its most active on December 13-14, when as many as 100 meteors flicker in the sky and then burn out. In legend, Phaethon was the son of the Greek sun god Helios, who pulled the sun across the skies by a chariot. To prove his divine powers, Phaethon decided to have a go, but lost control of the chariot, dragging the hot sun with him. Humanity was almost destroyed in the subsequent chaos, which scorched the earth, burned vast amounts of vegetation, and created the great deserts of Africa.
Asteroid 3200 Phaethon, close approach to Earth, December 17th. What were the terms used in that video and article? Phaethon is a sun god, a Greek sun god. Reading a quick segment from Wikipedia. Phaethon, challenged by his playmates, sought assurance from his mother that his father was the sun god Helios. She gave him the requested assurance, told him to turn to his father for confirmation. He asked his father for some proof that would demonstrate his relationship with the sun. When the god promised to grant him whatever he wanted, he insisted on being allowed to drive the sun chariot for a day. Placed in charge of the chariot, he was unable to control the horses. The earth was in danger of being burnt up. To prevent this disaster, Zeus was forced to strike down the chariot with a thunderbolt and kill Phaethon in the process. The name Phaethon means shining one. Was also given to Phaethon, son of Eos, to one of the horses of Eos, the sun, the constellation Auriga, and the planet Jupiter. Well, as an adjective, it was used to describe the sun and the moon. In some accounts, the planet referred to by this name is not Jupiter, but Saturn. In modern times, an asteroid whose orbit brings it close to the sun has been named 3200 Phaethon, after the mythological Phaethon. Then the article goes on to mention Chicxulub, which was the asteroid that killed off the dinosaurs, showing you on this map here of the Yucatan Peninsula. Right here, I am within the radius of this blast. I live right here. I live right here. I am from Minnesota, United States, but I live in just south of Merida, Mexico, right here on the Yucatan Peninsula. I am within this circle and this blast radius of the crater that destroyed the dinosaurs. Then it goes on to mention in this article, Immanuel. What a timing of this article and this person that is involved, all leading us up to this winter time, this season of Christmas, the coming of the Messiah and the coming of the anti-Messiah. Isaiah 7:14, therefore the Lord himself shall give you a sign. Behold, a virgin shall conceive and bear a son, shall call his name Immanuel. Isaiah 8:8, only used 2 times in the Bible, Immanuel. 8:8, and he shall pass through Judah. He shall overflow and go over. He shall reach even to the neck, and the stretching out of his wings shall fill the breadth of thy land, O Immanuel. And then it talked about the chaos that was coming upon the earth and the scorching of the earth. The chaos that nearly ensued and destroyed all humanity, and the scorching of the earth. Revelation 16:8, the 4th angel poured out his vial upon the sun. Power was given unto him to scorch men with fire. Revelation 16:9, men were scorched with great heat, blasphemed the name of God, which hath power over these plagues, and they repented not to give him glory. And I have been talking to you about December 17th and the importance of the 2 signs in Revelation 12. Revelation 12:1 and 2, the woman clothed with the sun, September 23rd, 2017. Then we have the sign of the dragon, which is 5 planets within the, all conjoined within the constellation of Ophiuchus, forming the 5 planets and the 5 stars, and the tail of the serpent are the 10 horns. Then we have 7 heads on the serpent, on the dragon, and 7 crowns above it. This happens to appear exactly on the same day as this incoming asteroid. We have the sign of the dragon. This matches the planetary alignment, the planetary conjunction, matches the Obama Foundation logo that was presented on Halloween. Both of the logos within the summit that Obama did on Halloween match the 2 signs of Revelation 12. This matches the Revelation 12:1 and 2 sign, the alignment on September 23rd, and this matches the dragon sign on December 17th. And the Geminids meteor shower arrives on Hanukkah. December 13th and 14th is peak, which is the beginning of Hanukkah, but it ends on December 17th, and the video confirms that the arrival of this asteroid, Phaethon, comes out of the Gemini meteor shower. It arrives on December 17th, so there is a confirmation of the falling stars within the sign of the dragon, just as it says in Revelation 12:3, 4, and 5. I pray you guys are all blessed. Have a great day.